First at 5 o'clock, the jury is set for the trial of Christopher Schurr. It took only a little more than a day to pick the 12 jurors and 2 alternates.
Schurr is the former Grand Rapids police officer charged with killing Patrick Lioya during a struggle after a traffic stop 3 years ago. 13
on your side's Callie Lichter was in the courtroom again today. She joins us from the newsroom with details.
Elena, Juliet, there were concerns this jury selection would last the whole week, but both sides were able to agree on the 14 Wednesday morning.
After more than 10 hours of questioning, the jury deciding the fate of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr is decided. The defense and the prosecution chose 14 jurors out of 45 potential people questioned and 200 initially called in. For privacy purposes, jurors' identities have to remain anonymous, but information about the jurors is available. Out of the 14 chosen, 4 are men and 10 are women. When it comes to racial diversity of the jury, 10 jurors are white, 3 are Hispanic, and 1 is half black, half white. Out of the 3 Hispanic jurors, 1 is a South American immigrant. In the dozens of random potential jurors interviewed, a large majority were white. An observation also made by City Commissioner Robert Womack, who has been supporting the Lioya family throughout the process.
One of the things gave me pause that after watching these days, I only saw 1 African American that was interviewed in these last 48 hours. So we still have to do something when it comes to the jury pool to have true representation.
The jury also ranges in age. A few jurors appear to be in their early 20s, with 1 in their 60s or 70s. Matt Borgula, Schurr's attorney, says the demographics of the jury do not matter. It's how they answered questions.
What is a concern is, what's been their experience as a citizen of the United States, and whether, because they're going to bring that in to jury deliberations.
And even though a lot of the jury pool has seen or heard something about the case, Borgula believes they just need to be impartial and fair to the evidence.
Because both sides wanted people that didn't form opinions about the evidence. They wanted them to listen to it fresh, as if they never heard anything before, and draw conclusions based on what they hear in the trial.
Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker did not comment on the case.
Tonight on Evening Plus, I'll sit down with our Julia Gorman to talk even more about the jury selection process. We'll unravel why jurors can be dismissed and what's considered acceptable knowledge of the case. That's live at 6:30 on Evening Plus. Download on your TV and watch for free.